What if one breath in freezing water could rewire your brain for power, health, and joy? For years, I hunted truth in books, temples, and esoteric rites, yet the mind never stopped its restless drum. One Sunday at dawn, Amsterdam slept while a whisper rose from a sheet of pond ice. I glanced around, undressed, and stepped in. The cold swallowed my stories whole. In seconds, my thinking brain surrendered. The reptilian core flared awake. Survival trumped philosophy. I felt power, pure connection, no thought required. Each deep breath pumped oxygen through 80 miles of dormant capillaries. Tingling surged, brain and body shook hands after years of silence. After 25 breaths, I could sit beneath the ice for 6 effortless minutes. Neighbors called me crazy, so I returned at dawn, hidden between 2 trees, reclaiming my biology in secret. Night after night, I sat outside in shorts while frost bit the city awake. Cold is merciless yet fair. It asks only one question: will you breathe while it tries to steal your air? Answer yes, and you unlock a primal firmware written before supermarkets and central heating. A rabbit never books a therapy session. It trembles, bolts, and lives fully until its final breath. We, however, wrap ourselves in endless warmth, starving the very stimuli that keep our chemistry brilliant. Reintroduce the cold and veins surge wide, dopamine spikes, immunity sharpens, focus crystallizes. Endure for 3 minutes, and you will meet a version of yourself untouched by doubt. We can engineer iPhones, yet still outsource our happiness to pills. Maybe it is time to aim that genius inward. Tomorrow, step outside, strip away the layers, breathe deep, and let the cold read the book you carry in every cell. Power, health, joy, those are not prizes to purchase. They are states you remember, and the ice remembers with you.